Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We had a little problem in our house. We have a family of 4 with 2 teenagers, and the dishwasher is constantly running or being filled. And "Hey mom, is the dishwasher clean or dirty?" was a phrase I was tired of hearing. So thank goodness for this dishwasher magnet from Brothers Bench. This dishwasher magnet is cute, functional, and durable. It slides easily from one side to the other without ever getting stuck. I love the design. It has a rustic farmhouse vibe that matches the theme of my kitchen. It was ready to use straight out of the box. There was no assembly required, and the magnet strip is very strong and durable, so I don't have to worry about it falling off when I'm opening and closing my dishwasher. I also love that it comes with 2 double-sided stickers if you don't have a magnetic dishwasher. Overall, I am so impressed with this dishwasher magnet. Its durability has withstood the abuse of my family of 4 and brought a little charm to my kitchen. Now nobody questions whether the dishes are clean or dirty, and that is truly priceless. And that's my point of view.